Just like the psalmist looked upon child sacrifice full in the face, can't talk about that, full in the face, that's part of our history. So we need to look abortion full in the face. We need the raw facts. Just as raw as these words, we need words. We need to watch the videos over at abort73.com. Abort73.com. We need to see the beautiful pictures. We need to see a little foot pushing out of his mommy's tummy. tinyurl.com. YWCRZB. Nobody's going to remember that. I'll put it on the blog. We need statistics. 40, 50 million since 1973 babies killed in this country, unborn. Just in our country. Just in our country. Not the 50 million a year that go down around the world. 90% of the abortion clinics in urban centers, so that 56% of all abortions are Black and Hispanic. A kind of ethnic cleansing that pro-choice people cannot dare to think about. We need to know the procedures: suction, aspiration, dilation and curettage, saline, abortion, intact dilation and extraction, intrauterine cranial decompression. RU 486. You need to know those words. You need to see those words. The psalm is raw. The psalm is raw. It was pre-photography and pre-video. There were no such thing as photography, and there was no such thing as video. Sometimes you need raw words when that's all you've got, and sometimes you need raw footage if it's available. It's because you can't comprehend it. You just can't believe they're going to do this. They're not doing it. You can't believe it. And people don't believe it in America. They won't believe it. I read a few years ago one of the most impressive things in the Star Tribune. They said, if we could make all Americans watch a live execution in the electric chair, capital punishment would disappear overnight. That's what they said. I don't know if that's true or not, but I do know this. It's just as likely that if we could make every American citizen watch a doctor pull a little arm, snap it off, and pull it out, and little leg, and snap it off, and pull it out, and put it here like cotton being taken out of your mouth by the dentist, to make sure he's got the head, the torso, the leg, and the arm. If we could make every American watch it and mark it, virtually all abortions are done on fetuses that old. There was a little book produced for high schoolers in this city a few years ago, and I didn't save it. And it told them all about abortion, and it recommended how far along they should be when they come in. Don't come too early. Don't come before 7 weeks. Okay. Women don't know they're pregnant for 1 or 2 months. All these babies have arms and legs. They're never a blob of tissue. So I'm saying 98% of the abortions, if we could just watch them, then it's just as likely that abortion would become as unthinkable in America as slavery is unthinkable in America.